DRAGO corn heads are the leading corn harvesters worldwide. Use the special advantages of our corn heads for the sunflower harvest as well. With the sunflower kit from Olimac, your DRAGO can, unlike other corn harvesters, be turned into a sunflower specialist, rapidly and at a low cost. The DRAGO is specially designed for gentle, low-loss and reliable fruit harvesting for corn as well as sunflowers. This one-of-a-kind technology is already in use worldwide. The sunflower kit can be ordered optionally upon purchase, or can be retrofitted to your DRAGO, regardless of the year of construction. Transform your DRAGO cornhead into a sunflower harvester. DRAGO, the intelligent 2-in-1 machine.